This week will be a huge week for Bitcoin. A huge move is about to come. A massive breakout in the short term is around the corner, and probably we are going to be getting some massive continuation. Now, on top of that, we need to be talking about Ethereum, because Ethereum is still exploding towards the upside. It's the alt season finally about to be getting started. Well, we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, this Bitcoin weekend consolidation has been absolutely perfect. We've been getting this consolidation at around our CME close price. Yesterday I was saying that probably we are going to be returning towards that CME close price, and yes, exactly, that is what we have been doing. And after closing our CME gap, we've once again been pushing towards the upside. So that is looking absolutely perfect. Now, what is going to be very important to keep in mind is that probably this is going to be a massive week for Bitcoin, because we are about to see a massive breakout. Okay, we have been talking about this during the course of the weekend. Probably we are going to be continuing our consolidation during the course of the weekend, but early next week, well, it is going to be expected that we are going to be seeing this breakout outside of this mathematical triangle. And probably, yes, we are going to be getting this breakout towards the upside. That is because Bitcoin is still sitting on top of major support. And by the way, this price action is just playing out beautifully with this consolidation right over here right now. And eventually, I do think that we are going to be breaking back towards the upside. On top of that, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend. So most likely, we are just creating another higher low over here, and then we can be pushing to new highs again. Now, on top of that, also that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side, so most likely we are going to be seeing this move towards the upside getting initiated. Now, yes, Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a correction after hitting this level of resistance, and yes, this is going to be the most important level of resistance to be breaking above. And yes, also that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is actually sitting above this level of resistance. But I do think actually because of that, and also because on top of that, the Bitcoin funding rates are still extremely low. Well, I think if we are going to be adding everything together, it is going to be extremely likely that we are indeed going to be seeing another push towards the upside, grabbing that liquidity on that top side and breaking above this level of resistance. But first of all, we need to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, and I think that is going to be the catalyst of a much bigger move that is about to come. Now, of course, we could as well be breaking out towards the downside, and at that point, I would definitely become a little bit worried, because in that larger time frame, yes, we are creating that bull flag pattern with a perfect retest right now. So if we were to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, that would just be perfect for some insane continuation towards the upside. But if we were to be breaking towards the downside, well, in that case, I do think that we are going to be seeing a little bit of a fake out, and that would definitely not be bullish in that short term. But well, honestly, I do not think that that is going to be extremely likely at all. I just think that we are going to be seeing some continuation right over here. If we are going to be having a look into our Bitcoin volatility, yes, it is still sitting at all-time lows. Having a look into our Bollinger Bands indicator, we are still getting squeezed in, indicating that yes, indeed, volatility is sitting at all-time lows, and a big move is about to come like each and every single time. And yes, Bitcoin is also still creating this cup and handle pattern, still awaiting a massive breakout. Now, anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, because I am already prepared for what is about to come. Now, if you are going to be getting interested in positioning yourself right in the market right now, I would be having a look into this small little symmetrical triangle. Now, if you are going to be signing up with my link down below over on CoinW, you can be claiming this $5 completely for free. On top of that, whenever you open your first trade, you're going to be getting another $100. So make sure to check it out. On top of that, even you are going to be getting a $30,000 deposit bonus. And the best thing is, over on CoinW, there's no KYC required. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be signing up on this exchange. So make sure to check it out with that link down below, CoinW. But anyways, yes, this is going to be extremely important because the Bitcoin dominance looks to be breaking down right now. If we are going to be zooming in the shorter term, you can be quite literally seeing that we are breaking down right now. But on that monthly time frame, it is not that clear just yet. But we want to be seeing this monthly candle actually also breaking towards the downside. And whenever that happens, in 4 days, we are going to be closing our monthly candle. If we are going to be confirming that monthly candle with a breakdown for the Bitcoin dominance, well, for sure, the altcoin season is going to be getting confirmed. Every single altcoin is going to be exploding towards the upside. And then is going to be the time to be literally going all in towards every single altcoin. So yeah, it is very close to be happening right now. Pay attention clearly in towards that exactly. Now having a look in towards Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum has been pumping towards the upside, exactly like we have actually been predicting, because I do think that Ethereum will continue to go up as we approach the ETF launch window, driven by bullish news from asset managers probably. Then we are going to be seeing a little bit of a sell the news event, similar to what we saw with Bitcoin, and after that, well, the inflows will start to kick in. So I think like something like this is going to be happening next for Ethereum. I do not think honestly that this correction is going to be this deep, because of course we are in an exponential bull market right now. But anyways, roughly I think that something like this is going to be happening next. Now, of course, we have been seeing the massive inflows for Bitcoin, but just imagine how many Ethereum BlackRock will be buying through the upcoming ETF. I think it is going to be absolutely insane. Of course, the inflows are going to be lower, but also the market cap of Ethereum is much, much lower. So I think this ETF is going to be having an even bigger impact, like we have been seeing with Bitcoin. Now for Bitcoin on that larger time frame, it is completely on track. I think Bitcoin is still about to go absolutely parabolic from of these moments. That is why I'm prepared for that next Bitcoin move. Anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.